Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I am doing good. How are you?
Amazing. And how did your weekend go?
Yeah, it was excellent because here we celebrated Durga Puja. So, yeah.
Oh, okay. So
And
did you have like processions and everything?
no. Due to Corona, due
Mm.
to this pandemic, everything was prohibited.
Mm.
And yeah, so some restrictions were there. But so, yeah, after that we celebrated. We
Okay.
followed all the yeah we followed all the rules and regulations, and we celebrated in that way.
Oh, did you have fun? Because it was a little different than how you guys usually celebrate with extra, grandeur. Uh, how was it? How was the difference?
Yeah, difference was that because we had not that kind of we had not celebrated in that way like earlier we had to we have
True.
we used to celebrate. Yeah, we used to celebrate, but yeah, we celebrated. We just visited puja pandals, and we took blessings of god and goddess. So
Mhm.
yeah. So, and earlier they used to organize some fairs, some cultural activities, some cultural programs, but this year it was not there. These things were not there.
Yeah, I feel sad for the kids, because you would have seen it at least once or twice, but it's very important for kids to enjoy these kind of festival. That's when they get uh, more like rooted to our culture, and
Yeah.
they try to understand, right? Otherwise, if we just give them lectures, they don't like it.
And main thing, one most of the important thing, one like poor people, they used to like they wait for this
Hmm.
celebration from a very long time, from a very long they used to wait, because they sell their things and they make money in these occasions.
Oh, yes, yes,
So
yes.
this is
Not they
also
used to wait, they wait
they
for.
wait. Yeah.
Okay.
They-
Okay, I understand. Because you have like a fun fair and everything else, and the maximum time, the maximum business that they can make is only during the festive season, right?
yes.
It's very sad. I did see a video of one of the sculpture artists who makes like Durga idols, and he was talking about how due to COVID,
Mhm.
nobody buys those extra huge sculptures, right, from two
Yeah.
years.
Yeah,
So
from
yeah, so he was talking about how devastating it's been, because generations have been following the same business.
yes. Correct.
I understand.
Yeah.
Okay, very well. So during Durga Puja, do you have like a lot of work to do at home?
Yeah, because here in at my place, my some of my relatives visited. So yeah, we had fun. We had work. So during Durga Puja, yeah, because my mother and we all prepare lots of
Delicacies?
delicacies. Yeah. So yeah, so and before Durga Puja we have dusted and we have cleaned our houses.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, in this thing.
So do you wish that you had a robot sometimes to just do all the
Yeah,
cleaning
for
work?
dusting. Yes. I like. I yeah, because sometimes some work we don't want to do because we are not interested to do all those kinds of work. So
True.
so that time at that moment only I need, if I could get any kind of robot, and they will do my all work. They
All
will
my work?
all my work, and they will do my work, and they will make my work easier.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are the other kinds of things you would want this robot to do? Because we are not far away from the time that robots could be in every house, right?
Yeah. So apart from this, no, I would like to, I would like to do my all my works by myself only. But yeah, though some kind of work like this dusting and these things, I don't want to do. I don't like to do even. So yeah, I would like to take help from the robot.
All my work by myself. Okay, not works.
By myself. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the singular plural is what I was talking about. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
yes.
what are the disadvantages of robots?
Are very very much dependent
Mhm.
over the machines. So robot is a kind of machines. It is a kind of, yeah, it is a kind of machine. It makes our work easier. So disadvantage means earlier ancient time people used to do work on their own. So in this way they used to do lots of physical things. So it was good for their health, as well as their as well as their health, as well as their mental condition, I can say. But nowadays we all are dependent upon so lots of machines.
On
They
machines.
on
Yeah.
machines, yeah, on machines. And they make our work easier. Like we have washing machines, we have AC, we have like computer. So
Mhm.
all these things, we have lots of household equipments, I can say,
Equipment.
yeah. So perform all our works with the help of them. So for mopping and for brooming, lots of things are there. So yeah, it is disadvantage for us. But like nowadays people are so busy with their regular life, because everyone is working. Most of the people, they are working. They
Mhm.
want to work, yeah. So it is, as well as it is easy also. These machines makes our work easy. And everything has its pros and cons. So yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Very well. So, imagine that you're a celebrity. Okay. How
Okay.
do you think your life will be? Because then you won't have to do the dusting and cleaning. You'll have like uh, people to just
Helper.
do it for you, right?
Yeah.
So, how would your life be?
Yeah, my life, definitely I can say my life would be different. My perspective, my opinion, because celebrities life, they like in uh, on some extent, on some
To
extent or
some extent.
to some extent, I can say their life is, they are very, like their life is not whatever thing is going on in their life, it comes on the on in it comes on social media, or
Correct. It is very
in front
publicized.
of, yeah, it is very publicized, and it comes in front of the whole world.
Correct.
So they don't have privacy, they don't have privacy.
Mhm.
So I would like to, like, yeah, if I would be celebrity, so my life would be the same like they have now. So everything will have come in front of everyone, in front of the whole world. So yeah, it was for tackling, for as a ordinary people, we are very, we don't want to share everything in front of world, right, in front of our friends, sometimes in front of relatives as well. We
Mhm.
want our privacy, yeah, we want our privacy.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so this difference is there. And in another aspect, I can say, uh, because they have lots of fan following everywhere, they have lots of fan following. So yeah, in this aspect also, if I would be celebrity, so I will have lots of fan following.
Mm.
And I have to, and I have to I have to change my opinion, perspective, and my daily schedule and everything.
Sometimes you have to speak very carefully, right? You can't just speak whatever you want.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
If you're a celebrity, it's
Yeah, being celebrity, I don't like I should not use any, because like lots of, like our youth is following the celebrity. They
correct.
are, yeah, they are the public figure, I can say. They are public figure, like youth. They, I think youth, some our young generation, they follow our celebrity.
Correct.
Yeah. So yeah, so like so in this way.
Okay. You were saying something and you stopped. No problem. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. You know that celebrities are very rich, right? Does it necessarily mean that they're happy?
No, not at all. Because like one of the very biggest reason is this: their life is not, they don't have privacy, because everything is coming in front of the world. So I
Correct.
guess, yeah, whatever they are doing, whatever they are even thinking, whatever, sometimes some controversy also, yes, everything is coming on social networking platform, social networking site, and in front of everyone. Like sometimes they used to face some criticizing, some criticize, people used to criticize. So all these things they have to face. And whatever people, like if they make any statement, if they say any statement, or if they do anything, so
Mhm.
they have to answer, they have to they have to answer for that, what is the reason behind that.
Yeah, they need to constantly justify themselves, their actions, their words,
Yeah.
why they said a certain thing, and be answerable unnecessarily also, right? Sometimes
Yeah.
we don't have to. We will just say something and we can move on with our
Yeah.
lives.
Yes, whatever we are doing, like we don't need to give any kind of answer to any people. So
Correct.
we are very free. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, how do you put it in other words? We don't need to give any answer to other people.
Uh, we-
It's correct. I want you to try rephrasing it in a refined way.
Okay, so we are not supposed to give any answer to others.
We aren't answerable to anyone.
Yeah, we aren't contaction. We should use contaction.
Yeah, you can try concising your uh, uh, statements, your
Okay.
whatever you're saying. Okay, sometimes
Yeah.
it's not wrong, but it's always good to know different ways of saying something, so you can keep like refining everything you're doing, right?
Yeah.
So you
Yes.
can just simply say we're not answerable to anybody, we're free.
Okay.
Okay. You know that constantly people watch a lot of videos about what celebrities ate, or whom they're getting married to, etc., etc. A lot of gossip. Why do
Yeah.
you think it's so like widespread? Why do people consume so much of this kind of information? Oh, why do we care about who got married to whom?
Yeah, I also like celebrity means, for me, celebrity means I don't follow any Hollywood or Bollywood celebrity in this craziest way.
Mhm.
Yeah, even I follow Ratan Tata,
Oh,
MS
yes,
Dhoni. They are also
amazing.
celebrity. Yeah, MS Dhoni, Ratan Tata, and Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam. Like he was the educator, and he was the very great personality. So celebrity means, I feel like celebrity, we don't consider, like, yeah, our youth consider celebrity means only Hollywood or Tollywood, Hollywood, Tollywood, and Bollywood
Correct,
personalities.
correct.
Yeah, but for me celebrity means, sometimes, yeah, Palak Muchal also, she is doing lots of she is her name is recorded in Guinness World Book, right? So she is doing a very good thing in her life. So celebrity means, like, for me, if they are giving something to the society, if they are doing so, that is like, I follow them.
Okay, you follow more of these kind like sports and
Yeah.
education and everything. Yes, people do have different streams that they do follow. I also like people into sports a lot. I do like some Hollywood celebrities too. I follow them, but I like sports and some Hollywood celebrities.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, very well. So I just want to quickly give you some of your errors grammatically first. One is when your context of the word used to. Okay, you have to check wherever you use used to. It's not been correct in this conversation because every time you were speaking about something that was an ongoing habit, you don't use used to. You just use the present. Okay,
Okay.
used to means you stopped doing it now. When you say
Yeah.
people used to criticize celebrities, people still criticize, right?
Mhm.
So we speak in general, people criticize celebrities and it's sad. So
Yeah.
that way you speak in present. Okay, so check that. And if I would be a celebrity, so you keep missing out articles sometimes.
Articles.
Okay,
Yeah.
when you say also when you say as a ordinary people, as an ordinary person,
Mhm.
okay,
Yeah.
or just as ordinary people, anyone. Okay, so
Okay.
so check the singular plural.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also try to use less of the phrase very much.
Yeah.
Okay, you can
Yeah.
just say it was very exciting, or even try to eliminate very. So
Okay.
even I'm not able to do that. I still use, oh, I like this very, very much, or I say, this is very exciting, but we have to get into the habit of eliminating that very.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
we need to find other words, better words for it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
this, and could you pronounce HERE?
Here.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
MEANS?
Menace.
Means.
Means. Yeah.
Yeah,
It means.
means. Okay, take a
Yeah.
little time to pronounce these words. Don't be in a hurry.
Okay.
Machine. Okay, at the
Machine.
edge, a good edge it has. Machine.
Okay.
Beautiful word, right?
Machine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So concentrate a little more on the sounds. What is
Okay.
happening is sometimes you don't want to miss out anything that you're saying. So you tend to hurry up and then you don't complete what you're trying to say. You say,
Yeah.
oh, this youth, and then again you go to the next point, again you go to the next point. No, it's okay, we have time. Okay, it's okay
Yeah.
if we don't speak 10 questions, but I want you to speak one answer that you give in a very, very calm, precise manner, so you can perfect it. Okay,
Yeah.
I can give you 1,000 corrections even in that one phrasing, and you will learn it really quickly.
Yeah.
Okay, so concentrate on going, and also you're a teacher, so you have to be a little more calm and go in that pace. Correct?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Sure.
just concentrate on these things, and apart from that, great. Always a pleasure speaking to you. I can see the progress that you have made since the first time I spoke to you.